Welcome, dear viewers, to the wondrous world of gardening. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to transform a grassy, clay-filled field into a thriving blueberry haven. Grab your gardening tools and let's dive in. First, let's assess our battlefield, a grassy hayfield with heavy clay soil. Clay can be quite the villain, compacting and suffocating plant roots. But fear not, for we have the power to conquer it. Step 1. Clearing the land. Begin by removing the grass or hay. You can mow it down and then use a garden fork or a tiller to turn the soil. Think of this as giving your future blueberries a blank canvas. Step 2. Amending heavy clay soil. Clay needs a bit of a makeover. Add organic matter like compost, aged manure or leaf mold. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer over the soil and work it in deeply. Imagine you're giving the clay a luxurious spa treatment. Another great amendment for clay is gypsum. Sprinkle it generously and mix it in. Gypsum helps to break up the clay particles, improving drainage and root penetration. It's like adding a bit of magic dust to the soil. Step 3. Creating the perfect blueberry bed. Blueberries prefer acidic soil with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. Test your soil and, if necessary, add sulfur or peat moss to lower the pH. If you're feeling fancy, coffee grounds can also do the trick. Just don't drink them all first. Step 4. Planting your blueberries. Choose a sunny spot for your blueberries. Dig holes that are twice as wide as the root ball but no deeper. Space the plants about 4 to 5 feet apart, allowing them to spread their wings and grow. Place the plant in the hole, backfill with soil and give it a good drink of water. Step 5. Mulching and watering. Mulch around the plants with pine bark or pine needles to retain moisture and keep the soil cool. Blueberries love water but hate wet feet. Water them consistently but ensure good drainage. Picture your blueberries lounging by the poolside, sipping water leisurely. Amending other soil types. For sandy soil, add organic matter like compost or aged manure to improve water retention and nutrient content. Sand can be a bit too free-spirited, letting water and nutrients slip away too quickly. For loamy soil, you're in luck. It's almost perfect. Just add some organic matter to maintain its fertility and structure. Loam is like the Goldilocks of soils, just right. Maintaining your blueberries. Blueberries are low maintenance, but they appreciate a little TLC. Prune them annually to remove dead or weak branches and apply a balanced fertilizer in the spring. Keep an eye out for birds. They love blueberries as much as you do. Consider using netting to protect your precious harvest. And there you have it, fellow gardeners. A step-by-step guide to growing blueberries in even the most challenging of soils. With a bit of effort and a lot of love, you'll soon be enjoying a bountiful harvest of delicious, homegrown blueberries. Happy gardening! Remember, the garden is a place of wonder and discovery. Keep exploring, keep planting, and most importantly, keep having fun.